Okay. So after learning all these basics, then we are performing. We are, we have to understand the Postman tool, how it's basically it works. Okay, and we have many features in the Postman. With the help of those features, how we can perform an API testing, we'll be learning first. Okay, because we are going through the complete Postman tool. Okay, because if we have a idea of the tool, then it will be very easy to handle the things, right? So after learning the Postman fundamental, means after learning completely about the Postman, then we will be performing an API testing with the help of this tool. Okay, we'll be performing an API testing by using a tool. Okay, so here all the scenarios, whatever is required in order to handle in a real time, everything I will be covering. Okay, like here we have a environment concept, variable concept, dynamically handling concept, writing in a pre-request script, writing in a test, performing in a conditions testing, performing in a smoke testing. Okay, performing in a data driven. Okay, and handling the collection. So all those things will be learning here. Okay, so whatever is required for the real time, most of the things I will be covering here. Okay, so why I'm doing this? Because I don't want you guys to directly jump to automation and make you guys confused. Okay, I just want to give some comfortness in learning. So whenever we go with the manual testing, okay, with the API testing, so it will be very easy you to understand, because with the tool you are working here. But here everything we need to achieve with the help of programming language. Okay, so someone of maybe sometime you may feel difficult if I directly jump to programming part. So that's why with the help of a tool, first I'm showing you how the API is working. Okay, so once you're familiar with this, maybe you feel little bit easier to handle in the rest assured. Okay, so that's the reason first I'm covering the manual part, so that by this time you are very much familiar about the APIs and how to handle the APIs and different parameters and different scenarios. Basically, how to handle the API request, you will be familiar. Okay, the same thing we will need to achieve with the help of programming language and the rest assured library here. Okay, so once after covering this part, I will be jumping to the automation. But in between that, okay, so while I'm covering the manual part, you guys have to go through the Java concept. Okay, so just a core Java is required for this, not an advanced Java, just a core Java is sufficient. Okay, so core Java is required in order to jump to the automation. Okay, just go through the core Java part. Okay, so while I'm covering the manual part, your job is to go through the core Java. Okay, many sources is available in YouTube as well as in websites. Okay, from Durgasoft only. Durgasoft videos are there on the core Java. Okay, if you can go through that, it will be very easy for you to work with the automation. Okay, because if I spend time here, it will be a the course will take a very long. Okay, so that's the reason I will not be teaching the Java, but 1 or 2 days after covering this manual part, 1 or 2 days I will spend time just brushing up the important concept. Okay, but while I'm teaching this manual testing, just one day one topic wise you just cover it here. I will take 1 or 2 days to brush up the important concepts. Then afterwards, after covering the manual part, we are jumping to the automation. Here we are using a REST assured library in order to perform the task. So we have a REST assured official document. Okay, so we can see this is the REST assured official document. Okay, with the help of this document, okay, we will be we will be learning the REST assured. Okay, with the help of this document, we will be learning the REST assured. Okay. Okay, so we are taking a help of this official document in order to cover the scenarios which is available in the rest assured. Okay, so here also all the scenarios which is provided in the official document, we are referring the official document and we will be covering it. Okay, almost all the scenarios we will be covering which is specified in the official document, and I will be also be covering like what and all the scenarios is required for real-time project handling. All those things I'm covering here. Okay, so sending in a request. Okay, so I will not be writing here because if I keep on writing, it is the list is very huge. Maybe you will get a course content details. Okay, you'll get a course content details. Okay, so you just go through that. If you have any doubts means in tomorrow session you do ask me. Okay, so here, yeah, rest assured, yeah, okay. How to send the request using an rest assured library? Okay, how to send the request? How to get the response? How to perform the validation on the request? How to perform the validation on the response? Okay, and how to handle the complex data? How to handle the nested data? Okay, and how to perform a serialization, how to perform a deserialization, how to use the amcris library for validation, how to extract the response. Okay, so many other concepts we will be learning here. Okay, so many concepts we will be learning, and how to perform the multiple ways of a post request. Okay, so basically all the scenarios which is required to handle the real-time project I will be going through here. Okay, so after covering all the scenarios in automation, then by having all this knowledge, whatever the scenarios we cover here, by having all this knowledge, okay, if I want to write it down here, for example, request and response handling, request and response handling, validating request and response, performing a logging. Just main topics I will define, I will just write it down here. Handling the parameters, handling the serialization, deserialization, okay. Validating the response body, working with filters. Okay, so I'm just the main topics I'm defining here. Many other topics are there. Okay, so that's what. Okay, the list is very huge, so I'm not writing down anything here. So you will get an content details. So just go through that. Okay, the main thing is how to send the request and how to get the response back and how to handle that request. We have to learn. Okay, and validating the request part and the response part is very important. Okay, in the response, we will get the response header, response body, response status code, response message, so on. Okay, so all these things we need to validate here. Okay, so we need to traverse through the response and we need to validate that. Okay, whether we are receiving the expected response or not. So here logging concept. In the logging also we have a many methods. We need to work with all those methods. Okay, so log haul method, log header methods, like logging all the information also we have a method, and logging the specific information also we have a method. So how to work with all those methods we will be learning. Okay, so just topic I'm writing here, but in that there are many subtopics and there are many methods to learn. Parameters also, there are many methods available in order to handle the parameters concept. So we'll be learning all those methods here, and how to perform a deserialization and serialization, and working with the pojos. Okay, I'm not written here. And we how to create a pojo classes, and how to perform the serialization and deserialization, how to handle the data dynamically. Okay, and learning more about request specification and response specification. We will understand in the coming session what is request specification and response specification. Okay, and when to use those. And validating the response body is very important, and working with the filter concept, and so on, many other topics also there. Okay, so after covering all these topics here, after learning all these concepts here, then we are jumping towards a project. Okay, so whatever the concept we are learning here, everything we are combining here, everything we are combining, and we are creating the project. Okay, so all the topics we are combining, and we are working with the robust framework implementation. Okay, so we have to include all these topics and we need to handle here dynamically. Okay, so robust framework implementation we will be performing here, and along with this we are integrating the report. Okay, so here along with this we are integrating the report here. Okay, for the report we are using a Halio report. Okay, for the reporting we are using the Halio report. Okay, so this is what the complete plan of the course. Okay, so if you have any doubts with respect to course content, do ask me. I will give you some time. If you have any doubt, ask me. Any doubt? Course content, course detail, and course duration, and course timing. Is it clear? And if you have any question in the mind, you can make use of a chat. You can ask me, because from tomorrow I'm starting with the API fundamentals. Okay, so if you have any doubts now, I will clear it now, and from tomorrow we will start with the API fundamentals. Hmm. Yeah. Any doubt, guys? Okay. So I will consider the silence as no doubt. Okay. So okay. I hope you guys are clear with the content without Java knowledge. Without Java knowledge means without Java knowledge, yeah, manual part doesn't need a Java knowledge. I mean to say, Postman I'm using, right? To work with the Postman tool, you don't need a Java language knowledge. Okay, but if you want to go with the Restitude as well, you need some Java knowledge, just the basics of a Java. Possible to attend the course and learn API testing. Yes, Postman part you can opt. Okay. Yes, you can learn the Postman part. For that, Java knowledge is not required. You can learn the API testing using a Postman tool. Okay, you can hop the course for that as well. Okay, if you don't need the automation part, like a rest assured, using an rest assured, you just want to go with the without the Java knowledge, you can go with the Postman part. Learn API testing using a Postman. That's it. Okay. Call the DURGASOFT team and inform them about the course and ask them just they you need a Postman API testing. They will assist you with that. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Then okay, I will wind up the session. Tomorrow, please do join. Okay, I will start with the API fundamentals. Okay. Bye. Have a great day.